In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a forest plot in Excel. Before we start, it helps to know what we are aiming for. A forest plot is a clear way to show data points along a scale, often with confidence intervals. In Excel, we can build this look using a scatter chart, along with error bars to represent the interval. First, highlight your complete dataset containing your coordinates from cell B2 to E4. As you do this, make sure you include every cell in that range that contains the X and Y values you want to plot. You can click and drag across the cells or click the first cell and then shift-click the last one in the selection. This step matters because Excel uses the selected data to build the chart. If the selection is incomplete, the chart will not match your intended dataset, and you will have to adjust it. You should see the full block of cells highlighted. Now we can move on to inserting the chart. Next, go to the Insert tab and click the Recommended Charts button. This opens Excel's chart suggestions, which makes it easier to find a chart type that fits your data. After you click Recommended Charts, Excel will show you a selection of chart options based on the data you highlighted. This step is useful because it quickly helps you get to a compatible starting point instead of searching manually. From there, switch to the All Charts tab. This gives you a larger list of chart types, including more specialized options that may not appear in the recommended list. You will now be able to choose the exact chart style we need for a forest plot layout. Within the chart categories, select XY, which is the scatter chart group. This is the correct direction because forest plots are based on positioning points along axes, and scatter charts are designed for that. When you select XY, you will see different scatter chart layouts appear. This is where we ensure the chart uses both the X and Y values from your dataset. Now click the first standard scatter chart layout and press OK. Pressing OK tells Excel to create the chart using the selected data and the layout you chose. After you do this, you should see a scatter chart appear on your worksheet. At this stage, the chart may show the points, but it may not yet include the interval information that gives a forest plot its distinctive look. With the chart created, we need to add the interval markers using error bars. Look for Chart Elements, which is the plus icon on the chart. Click that plus icon and then check the error bars box. This action tells Excel to display error bars for your series. For a forest plot, these error bars will represent the spread or confidence range around each data point. As you enable error bars, take a second to observe the chart. You should see additional lines or caps appear on the chart that indicate variability around each point. If your chart does not look right immediately, do not worry. Sometimes Excel applies default settings, and you may later adjust error bar options to ensure they match your interval columns. But for now, enabling error bars is the essential step that transforms a basic scatter plot into the forest plot style. That is the core process. Select the correct dataset range, insert a scatter chart, and then enable error bars. That covers everything you need to know.